2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Another slat wall. That music's too loud. That's too loud. Can you stop the music? Yep, sweet. Can you play just the normal backing track, please? Thanks. This is Slat Wall version 3. I'm going to do my best Will Smith impression. It is the third one we've built. It's by far the biggest, and here are 3 reasons why you need one of these in your home. Number 1. Incredibly cheap and easy. Once you've built one, you start building the other ones. Now, I'm not going to go through the entire construction of it all, but it did cost less than $400 worth of wood to build. It's a really nice function, and it only built in a single day, most of it anyways, because we had to stop and record a podcast. That's right, look at the Engineering Dads podcast, link below. Reason number 2, versatility. All the components here, with the exception of some of the screw and mounts, is interchangeable. You can take the shelves out, you can change things on the fly. If you don't like how it looks, fine, you can just change it. Reason number 3, we've now installed LED smart lighting into the slat wall, which means you can control it by a few different methods. One, you can make it based off sound, which is really good for rave parties. And because it's your control, you can automate a lot of things. For example, okay Google, change the slat wall to blue.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Okay Google, change the slat wall light to blue. There we go. Now we've already made a video of how to build this. There's no point showing repeated content. So if you want to see how to build it yourself, we have a separate video linked in the description down below. Now before in the comment section you jump in and say, oh but Sean, I can see the screws. I can see them from the outside, it's bad workmanship. First of all, I'm an engineer, which means 95% of my time is spent behind Excel. Woodworking is not my specialty. And 2, yes, I am aware. I saw this with my first one where I built it, and I can put this on top of it. Effectively, you cover the screws up if they're sunk deep enough with a little bit of a filler, and you can hide the screws. Could I do that? Yes. Will I do it? No, I couldn't be asked. Anyways, like and subscribe.